So we talk about what freelance writing is, where the industry is headed, and why it's a great career choice. But now let's get practical. What tools do you actually need to succeed? Freelance writing isn't just about putting words on a page. You also need to edit, stay organized, and manage deadlines. And trust me, having the right tools can make a huge difference in your productivity and the quality of your work. Let's break it down into three main categories: writing tools, editing tools, and project management tools. I also prepared a quick PDF reference that you can download from the resources of this lecture. Over there you have all the links to these tools that I will now mention and explain a little bit. First things first, where do you actually write? For me personally, Google Docs is the best option, and this is a go-to for most freelance writers. It's free, easy to use, and lets you collaborate with clients in real time. Plus, it automatically saves your work, so no more panic attacks over lost drafts. About Microsoft Word, some clients still prefer Word documents, so it's good to have this as a backup. If you're dealing with a corporate clients, expect to use it. Notion, not just for writing but also for organizing ideas, research and notes. It's like having a personal writing assistant. If you are writing long-form content like ebooks or complex projects, Scrivener is a great tool to organize everything in one place. And the best part, you don't need a fancy setup, just a solid word processor that works for you. Once your draft is done, it's time to polish it up. Here are the best tools to help you edit like a pro. One of them, maybe you're familiar with it, it's a Grammarly. You can think of this as your personal proofreader. It catches grammar mistakes, typos, and even improves sentence structure. The free version is great, but the premium version takes it to another level. Another one is a Hemingway editor. It highlights complex sentences, passive voice, and unnecessary adverbs to help tighten your writing. Similar to Grammarly but more in-depth, Pro Writing 8 analyzes your writing style, sentence structure, and readability, making it a great tool for serious writers. And last, we have Google Docs built-in spell check. It's simple but effective. Don't underestimate it. Even the best writers need editing tools. They help catch mistakes and ensure your writing is polished before you send it off to clients. Freelancing isn't just about writing. You also have to juggle deadlines, track projects, and manage client work. Here are some tools that help. Trello, a simple visual way to track projects. You can create boards for each client or project, set deadlines, and move tasks around easily. Asana, if you are working on multiple projects at once, Asana helps keep everything organized with task lists, due dates, and collaboration features. ClickUp, a more advanced tool that combines task management, time tracking, and even document storage. It's great if you like having everything in one place. Google Calendar, simple but powerful. Use it to schedule deadlines, meetings, and reminders so you never miss a due date. Clockify, a free time tracking tool that helps you see how long projects take, which is useful if you charge by the hour. Staying organized is key to keeping clients happy and avoiding last-minute stress. A good project management system will save you time and help you focus on what you do best, and that's writing. You don't need every tool on this list, just pick the ones that fit your workflow. The goal is make your writing process smoother, your editing sharper, and your project management stress-free. In the next lesson, we will dive into how to set up your freelance writing business. See you there.